This is number 4 on the topic 11, try your best test. It says there are 537 boys and 438 girls at the concert. How many more boys and girls are at the concert? So what we're going to do first is visualize it, and we have boys and girls. Boys, there are more of, so they need a bigger area. Girls, we have fewer, so we need a smaller area. And then we have the difference between the two. So we have, now we're going to put in our numbers. We have 537 boys, 438 girls, and we don't know our difference. So by looking at this bar diagram, we have two ways of solving this problem. We can subtract, or we could add. So we're going to subtract first. So we have 537 minus 438. And I'm looking at each place value. In the ones, the number on the bottom, the number in the subtrahend, is larger than the number in the minuend. So I do have to regroup. I can't take 8 from 7. So I have to take a 10 from the 30 and add those 10 ones to our 7. Now I can subtract 17 minus 8, which is 9. Looking at the tens place, the number in the subtrahend in the tens place is a 3. The number in the minuend is a 2. I cannot take 3 from 2, so I have to regroup. I'm going to take 100 from the 500, and I'm going to take those 10 tens and add it to the 2. So now I have 12 tens. I can take 12 minus 3, and that's 9. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So our answer is 99. Now I said before that we can use an addition problem to solve this. And that addition problem would be 438 plus what equals 537. So to solve this problem, I'm going to use an open number line. And I'm going to start with the 438. So I'm going to put that on the left-hand side so I can add and move to the right on our open number line. Now, what number can I add to 438 to get us close to 537? And I know before I said that we're trying to not go over, but in this case we can. So 438, closest I can get to 537 quickly is I'm going to add 100, and that's going to give us 538. But we don't want 538, we want 537. So I'm going to have to subtract 1 to get to 537. So in order to figure out what we just added here, we added 100 minus 1. And 100 minus 1 is 99. So that is the correct answer. So that's two different ways of solving the problem. You can solve it whichever way works best for you. It doesn't have to be one of these possible solutions. Whatever works best for you.